nachos.
This is not how you spill them. I mean, this is what you're not.
That's what you're not supposed to do. We already grated the cheese, though. Cheese. Cheese. The bag's in the way. I'm missing all the curry.
The rest in or not?
Yeah, just. But there's no. We'll make some more cheese if we run out. And you gently sprinkle the cheese on top of the mash chip.
I need a bigger plate.
Yeah, bigger plate.
Yeah.
Ew. I'm gonna get a bigger plate. Bigger plate. In the plate cupboard. Sorry. And now you put the beautifully set up nachos in the microwave.
And you open the door.
And you put it in. It doesn't fit. Okay. You have to tilt it to the side. All the cheese is gonna run off.
No, can't get
No,
it.
we put it in
All the cheese
for
it's going to explode.
4 minutes. We have to clean all this mess up, all the cheese bits. And the cheese goes. No, we do this all the time. Cheese. And we're just gonna fast. Now they're ready. And so we take them out of the microwave.
Let's try them.
Now we eat.
Hot.
We wait for them to cook.
I'm in the business of misery. Let's take it from the top. She's got.
Oh wait, where? Okay, and this Jenna coming upstairs checking the nachos are ready.
Look delicious.
Mmm. Bye.